Welcome to La Finca Golf and Spa Resort, an exclusive residential community in the heart of Alicante. Step inside this newly built villa and discover a bright, open-plan living space designed with modern comfort and style in mind. With clean lines and soft natural tones, the living area flows perfectly into the kitchen, and just beyond, a ground floor bedroom ideal for guests or multi-use. The first bedroom features built-in wardrobes and large windows offering calming views of the surrounding landscape. Just across the hall, a stylish family bathroom with a walk-in shower and underfloor heating. From here, you'll see the convenient ground floor bedroom just off the main living area, perfect for guests or flexible use. Back through the lounge, we follow the stairs to the upper floor, where comfort and panoramic views await. We arrive at the spacious master suite, designed as your personal retreat. Enjoy open views from your window and generous storage thanks to fully fitted wardrobes, all styled with elegance and functionality. The ensuite bathroom features twin sinks, premium fixtures and warm underfloor heating throughout. Step out onto the rooftop solarium, perfect for sunbathing, entertaining or simply taking in the panoramic mountain views. Set within a peaceful, secure community and just moments from La Finca's 5-star golf and spa facilities, this €469,000 villa is the last available of its kind. Contact Welcome Estates today at info@welcome-estates.com to arrange your viewing or learn more.